So first things first, if you are on a Mac, you do not need to worry about this, but if you do have a Windows machine, you will have to go to python.org and make sure that you have the Python 2.7 installed in order for this process to work. The next thing that you will want to do is make sure that you have the Google Cloud SDK installed. You can go to cloud.google.com/SDK/docs to get to the page, and if you have a Mac, you can download it here, or Linux, Ubuntu, whatever your operating system is. So you click on that. So now that you have the necessary development kits in place, you can go ahead and go to your Google Cloud Platform dashboard and create a new project. So we're going to call this project GAE tutorial. And here you see our project ID. This will be important a little bit later. So now that you've created your GAE project, you are going to want to look at the name that Google has given your project, which is this ID, and create a folder in whatever storage space you use. I did it on my desktop to store your app configuration files, and then under this www folder, you're going to want to store your style sheets, your index file, and whatever JavaScripts you might have. So this app.yaml file is really just to configure your app settings for Google. We just have a simple web app, so it's a very short file, and you can see the code here. So now that you're ready to deploy your app, you can go into your terminal window and type in gcloud app deploy, and then 2 dashes, project, and then you want to type in the ID of your project, which can be found in your Google Cloud console. So you will want to continue here, and then Google's going to go through updating your deployment. And then you can go ahead and type this command into your terminal prompt, and it will automatically direct you towards where your web app is being hosted.